Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mastering the knight's movement and purpose. You move in an L, 2 squares one way and 1 square perpendicular. Visualize all 8 landing squares. Once done, centralize early, knights on e4/d4/e5/d5 control more territory and create threats. Make sure to check for pawn shields and potential forks before committing. A centralized knight often wins tempo. Use short probing moves to force weaknesses, and always note squares where the opponent's pieces cluster, so you can exploit them. Now push into tactical execution. Scan for fork opportunities every turn, especially near the enemy king and queen. Once you spot candidate forks, cleanly prepare by removing defenders or enticing pieces onto vulnerable squares. Establish outposts, protected squares supported by pawns where your knight cannot be easily dislodged. Coordinate with bishops and pawns to create pins, skewers, and backrank threats. The knight's unique jump often finishes combinations. Keep flexible, reposition the knight quickly, finish by converting tactical wins into material or mating nets. Use the knight to occupy critical squares that limit the king and force forks or checkmate. Once you win material, exchange down when favorable and shepherd a passed pawn. The knight excels in closed positions. If your attack stalls, reroute the knight through an alternate 3-move path, reposition, probe, then strike. If things go wrong, reassess defenders and retreat to an outpost. Patience and precise knight hops recover initiative quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.